The Waterdrop 2PP+CT+CS filter is designed to be compatible with the Waterdrop integrated DC filtration system, ensuring a seamless integration for users seeking a reliable water filtration solution. This filter set offers an extended service life, providing clean and filtered water for up to 12 months, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term use. Constructed with premium materials, the Waterdrop filter effectively reduces impurities such as sand, rust, and chlorine, significantly improving the taste and safety of your water. Installation of the Waterdrop 2PP+CT+CS filter is a breeze, allowing users to replace filters in just 3 seconds without the need for any tools. Waterdrop is a professional brand known for its commitment to high-quality water purification, sourcing materials that meet stringent industry standards. The compact dimensions of the Waterdrop filter make it an ideal choice for undersink installation, maximizing space efficiency in your kitchen or bathroom.